great. So welcome everyone to yet another HOF interview today, and where we actually celebrate the success stories of our community members. And today I am very pleased to have Sowmya on hot seat, and she's from Hyderabad. She recently got into Scrum Master Plus Project Manager role. So Sowmya, heartily congratulations for this
Thank
achievement.
you.
Really, really happy for you. So thank you so much for first of all for taking out time and coming for this interview. Uh, so over to you, Soumya, if you would like to say
Thank
something.
you so much, Sapna. So first, I should say thank you to you because all happened because of you. I was searching for the job for the last 6 months, and I was really in a dilemma whether I will able to crack or not. But because I already done my certification, but I was not able to crack the interviews. So that knowledge I got from your complete Scrum Master blueprint. Okay, the content which you created was very helpful. I've religiously followed whatever you actually told us in the class. And I would say the result is amazing and it is in front of you. I was able to crack, not just one interview, I would like to say I would have actually cracked 2 to 3 interviews.
Wow.
And in that, I was able to shortlist my offer, which I wanted.
Wow.
And I chose which one I want to go for. And then I selected it. Even after that, the sessions which I've attended from your class, I was able to connect whatever I was learning in your class. I was able to connect back to office work, which I was able to do.
Okay.
So whatever the latest terminologies were introducing, the work structure was changing day by day. All I was able to get to know from you, and it's been really amazing. I would say thank you to you a lot, and even in future, please continue doing it so that if any new things are coming up, I would be able to know and I would be able to learn. But yes, as you said, I would be getting updated as per the market is trending, and surely we'll get that done. So I would say a big thank you to you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for inspiring us, motivating us, and sharing all your knowledge to us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Soumya. It's my pleasure that you joined this community and got that result, because I always get happy whenever I see students of my community getting results. So thank you so much. And it's not just because of me, definitely it's just because of you also, because you have put in that hard work and followed all these steps. So great. So Soumya, if you can just introduce yourself, like earlier, what was your role? How many years of experience you have? Little bit of your history, so that people who will watch you on maybe YouTube or even our community members, they would like to know a little bit about yourself.
Okay, so hi everybody. My name is Sowmya, and I have a complete 15 years plus experience. And I was working as a manager, project manager for 12 years plus.
Wow.
So I've done my Scrum Master in 2019, but I didn't on hands-on experience on as a Scrum Master work. But yes, I was doing as a manager work. I was doing. So recently, everything was moved to Agile, and mostly all Scrum Master work was given to project managers also. So it was like Scrum Master come project manager work, which all the leaders have to do.
Correct.
So in the way to do, I was really not able to get connected, because even in office, when we are there, we don't know the terminologies and all that. Though the certification was done, the in detail work, step by step, how to do was a real dilemma we were facing. So luckily, I got Sapna, and from I was scrolling my FB just like that, and I got to know Sapna, and I've just registered her class. And I really thought it was just like a 1 hour class, but the content she created and the work she gave is an amazing thing. You can relate that work to what exactly is happening as a scrum master. You can do it. I can assure you, you just go attend the class, do the blueprint, and start working. You are a complete perfect scrum master, I would say.
Absolutely.
So
Great.
that journey is still continuing for me. I'm doing my PMP now. I've
Wow.
done my Scrum Master. I'm doing my PMP now. So I have created a target, like by May ending, my PMP should be done. So
Okay.
it's like not just you are learning something only as a Scrum Master. You're going to learn more in life also, how you have to set targets, how you have to set your priorities. So she's motivating as a woman also a lot. So inspiring women and motivating women, Sapna is doing amazing. I would say just join the class, and I would suggest go for diamond membership for directly. rather than directly go for diamond membership, and you're going to have amazing things. I tried, but due to certain things I was not able to, but I'm going to take that in future for sure. For now, I've been with still just stuck with gold, but in future I'm going to surely take for diamond, and I'm sure I'm going to learn more things from her.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Soumya, for that quick introduction. So I believe you got into this community in December 2023, right?
Yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
And you were searching for the job that time. And when did you get this offer then?
Actually, I joined after joining to your class. After I guess I attended 2 sessions in December, and I completed my Scrum Master blueprint. Immediately after that, I was getting interview calls at that time.
Yep.
I almost get 3 interviews multiple times. Okay,
Okay.
one company was almost done, and I actually thought I lost it, but they again took the interview at the end. By the time I was already into your class. So
Okay.
that luckily helped me. So they thought, let's give her a chance because now she's telling all right things. So
Yeah.
again, they actually rescheduled the interview and I was able to crack the interview after answering all the questions. So I would say after joining your class only, I was able to clear all the 3 different companies' interviews. Though
Wow.
applying for in Naukri and I was applying in LinkedIn. I gave to other consultancies also multiple times, but I was not getting calls. So I was really doing multiple courses in LinkedIn as well. But something which we learn in the class like this, an interactive session which we had in Sapna's, that was good, which helped us in cracking the interview and we gained knowledge. So I would say people to go for it for sure, and you can try rather just scrolling FB and Insta. This is something which gonna help us in our future for our kids and for our family. So not just for family, for it's you say self awareness.
Yeah.
I would say self we can do it. It's gonna be very good for us.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Sowmya. And it's really great to know about your journey and how even you are working as a working woman, handling 2 kids and even your husband. So good to see your journey. Right. And so challenges which you're facing, I mean, while we were having this interaction, you already mentioned that the reason you joined this community is because though you had a certification, but that practical experience or the practical implementation knowledge was missing. That is the reason maybe you joined this community. And
Yes.
that helped you in some or other way in cracking the interview.
That's
Right?
true, Sapna, because the certification we were doing, we already read. All
Yeah,
the books we read with the scrum.org, everything we read, only then we are able to certify.
correct.
But again, the interview questions are all on practical basis questions which you have to answer. That is where I was actually lacking for the last 6 months when I was trying the interviews.
Yes,
But when you actually gave us the hands-on on Jira and you are giving the hands-on experiences and you're creating the groups for us to interact and take our decisions together and how to handle the team commitments and how to do the daily scrums, how to create the plan, how to create the sprints, how to do the sprint product backlog and all that. That actually was practically doing it. Then we
mm,
got to know how it actually goes. That was the reason it will get a more confidence levels also on you on how can you answer them.
correct.
So that's how I would say that it really helped a lot because though the complete experience which I carried was into managerial area, the scrum was completely different,
Yeah,
completely out of box which I had.
correct.
But you've been a really great help. Even after doing LinkedIn course, also I did Scrum.
Yeah.
But again, this your session was very interactive. I would say that was the reason I could say more. I can connect with you in doing the things.
Correct, correct. Thank you. Yes, absolutely. And I feel, as you mentioned, right, the practical implementation is very, very important because once we do it by ourselves, we can understand that how does it work in reality, and that shows in our confidence in the interview. Even if only we have theoretical knowledge, then definitely we don't get that confidence in the interview to answer different, maybe practical questions and situational based questions. So yes, so definitely that help you. So thank you so much, Soumya, for that.
I
Now,
would say thank you to you. Thanks to you. You should not thank. I should thank you.
thank you. Okay, my pleasure. So, Soumya, just one thing. So, people who will watch you on YouTube or even our community members, if you want to share one tip or some tips for them, or maybe 1 or 2 tips, so that will help them even to take the actions and get the result based on your overall experience. What exactly you did? How did you attract the opportunity? Anything which you followed? Anything which you would like to share, please?
I would say, see, I've been also doing multiple things before joining your class, but because handling kids, office work, again, homework for a woman is a multitasking things.
Hmm.
So I only challenged myself. Let's come on, when Sapna can do it, we should also do. I just pushed myself and I religiously followed what you said. Okay. You said to recap whatever is happening in the class and try doing it again. That is what actually helped me a lot. Okay. So, and I did not miss any class. I attended all your classes without any kind of a break or an intermit. And religiously on time, I was 9 o'clock. I was there in your class. And until you ended, when you were extending till 11:30, also I sat with you.
Yeah.
And I listened to all the questions, though it was related to me or not was not the thing. You
Yes.
were sitting and extending and you were answering all our questions which we were asking. I religiously listened to all what you said and made points. I would say take a book and a paper when you are in class and just note it down. I would say that phones or laptop will not do. That writing in your book would always help, and just
Yes.
religiously follow whatever has been suggested to you in the class. That is going to help you a lot.
Correct.
Okay, you just listen and you just go at 10 o'clock, you're done, you just go. That's not going to help you. You really want to do something in your life, you want to change, and you want to get something achievable in that, means yes, just follow what has been suggested, because she is creating a content for us and she is doing so much knowledgeable things. She's sharing her knowledge. Actually, these days there are many people they don't share their knowledge, and you have somebody who's giving you a knowledge and it's like a spoon feeding to you. You just need to enjoy it. So just invest the time, do follow what has been guided to you. I'm sure you're gonna achieve what you're planning in your life. Change, just be prepared for the change. Is going to be magnificently change. After 3 months you attend Sapna's course and you can say before and after results. I would say it's going to be very good result.
Great. Yes, thank you so much. And I really like the point which you mentioned, right? When we write in the notebook with our hand, it goes in our subconscious mind, right? Rather than writing it
Yes,
on the
that's true.
notepad, I mean, on laptop or mobile.
Yes, now I can hear you, but earlier I just got disconnected. Yeah, now it's good to go. So yes, I would say at the end it's an amazing session. I would surely tell people to go for it, and please do try it for sure. And it's gonna be an amazing result for you guys.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sowmya, for sharing your experience, and congratulations one more time for the offers which you've got. Hope now you're enjoying in your work as a project
Yes,
manager plus
absolutely.
Scrum Master.
Yes, I am actually. Thanks to you.
Thank you.